There is good news for Texas companies using barcode and RFID technology. My friends at ScanTexas are proud to present a new team member for the best little barcode house in Texas. All existing and new customers will continue to receive the excellent service that built the fine reputation of ScanTexas.
At ScanTexas, we are your go-to partner for hardware and software solutions for manufacturing, retail, and warehousing companies in Central, South, and West Texas. You can count on us for a full range of support services that save you time and money. The combination of our partnerships and over 120 years of experience give you a competitive advantage. We offer Zebra Technologies, the leading brand in the barcode industry. These offerings include mobile device management solutions, solutions for voice communications on mobile computers, and asset protection solutions like intelligent cabinets. Hi, my name is Kevin Mastrian. I am ScanTexas' new outside sales representative. As you know, Mike Rovira, after a long, successful career, is retiring, and my job is to continue his great relationships. I offer over 16 years of experience helping customers streamline their businesses, large and small. In these challenging times, you need someone who's there for you before, during, and after the sale. Our customers will tell you ScanTexas' attention to detail and quick response time will keep you from worrying about complications. Our goal is to allow you to focus on management and production. Remember, at ScanTexas, our motto is, when you are successful, we are successful.